Hey friend, if I had to start over today with 3 kids at home, no money to invest, and barely any time, here is exactly what I would do. I'm Joy, and I help faith-driven mamas start businesses from home that fit their lives, honor their values, and actually generate income without the burnout. Now, I know how overwhelming it can be to even think about starting something when you're stretched so thin and everything feels expensive or complicated, but I'm here to show you that it doesn't have to be. If I were starting from scratch in 2025, this is the path I would take, and you can take it too. So let's start with step 1. I would brain dump absolutely everything in my head, all of my interests, my skills, past knowledge, hard life experiences, random knowledge, all of it. I'd list out what people come to me for, what I research for fun, and what I can't stop talking about in conversations at the playground or wherever. Because the business isn't the first thing, the clarity is. And from there, I'd choose one small problem I know how to solve, not a huge mission, just one simple problem for the one kind of person. For example, how to meal plan without losing your mind, how to homeschool a neurodivergent child, how to create a budget when money is tight. Small and specific wins every time. Step 2, I would create one freebie, a checklist, a guide, or a simple PDF that helps solve part of the problem. And I would use a free platform like System.io to build a landing page and connect it to a free email list. No website, no tech degree, just a clear offer and a way for people to opt in. Step 3, I would pick one platform where I am most comfortable, whether that's talking on camera, writing emails, creating social posts, Instagram, and I would commit to showing up once a week to serve and build trust. That's it. No daily content, no perfection, just consistency. And step 4, I would create one simple offer. Maybe it's a $27 mini course. Maybe it's a $7 ebook. Maybe it's a one-on-one session for coaching or something like that. Maybe a printable bundle. Something tiny that solves the next step of the problem I help with. Okay, I would then connect it to my email list and begin to gently invite the people in my email list that got the freebie to buy this next step. And most importantly, I would stop trying to launch something big. That's gonna ruffle some feathers. I would just keep showing up to help and trust that as I give value and as I serve others and stay faithful with what I do have, the fruit will come. I wouldn't worry about branding, logos, websites. I wouldn't spend hours scrolling for inspiration on Pinterest. I would build quietly, intentionally, and faithfully. And here's the truth. You can do this too. You do not need $1,000 or 1,000 followers. You need clarity, a plan, and the courage to take one small step. I created a free workbook that walks you through the exact process I would follow. It's called From Idea to Income, and I will link it for you below. This is a free worksheet just as my way to say thank you. And it's the simplest way to start when your brain is full and your bank account's empty. And if you're thinking, but what if I mess up? Let me just tell you, you probably will. That's how we learn. What matters is that you keep moving, you keep asking God for guidance, and you keep showing up with what's already in your hands. Your business does not need to be loud to be impactful, doesn't need to be fancy to be fruitful. It just needs to be faithful. If this gave you clarity to get today, subscribe for more crunchy collective encouragement. I am in your corner. I have been where you are, and I promise starting small can lead to something beautiful. You are not behind. You are not disqualified. You are just beginning, and that is powerful. I'll see you in the next video.